Meaning of hard-won.
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 Hard-won. Hard-won is an adjective that describes something that has been achieved through great effort or struggle. It refers to a result that was not easily obtained, but required significant dedication, perseverance, and resilience. The term suggests that the outcome was not handed to the individual or group on a silver platter, but rather had to be earned through blood, sweat, and tears. Such results are often more valuable and appreciated than those that come easily. They represent a triumph over adversity and provide a sense of accomplishment and pride.